Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So for today, I'm going to teach you how to run ChatGPT locally. So first, just go to your web browser and then just type in ChatGPT for Windows. And then just wait for a moment. Click this one, the first one that will appear on your screen, and then after that, just scroll down. And then you can see here you can download for Mac and you can download for Windows. So since I'm a Window user, I will click this one to start downloading. And then it will start downloading the ChatGPT. And after that, just click on that one and just run the application. So that's how you can run ChatGPT locally. So if this was helpful, kindly like, comment down below, and subscribe if you are new to this channel. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.